Hello everybody, it's Brian Melville here, the eyes and ears of Santa Clarita. Thanks for tuning in to my monthly video blog where I share with you all of the most recent up-to-the-minute statistics for the Santa Clarita housing market. I hate to keep sounding like a broken record month after month here, but we've had a lot of more of the same over the last few months. And again, the stranglehold that these banks are putting on inventory because they're not foreclosing on people that are in default, haven't pursued a lot of foreclosure action due to some litigation they had, has dramatically reduced the inventory we have, at least from the end of short sales and bank-owned properties. Now, our inventory is changing, and it's changing in one important category, which is to me is a little bit more of an encouraging sign for our economy. But standard sellers are getting back into the market, and we're seeing that category increase month after month after month as a sure indicator that sellers are starting to feel that this is the time to capitalize on this frenzied pace of activity that we've had over the last few months. So with that said, why don't we jump right into the numbers as we always do. Currently right now on the market, we've got 379 homes on the market, which if you can believe is a 63.5% reduction in inventory since January 1st. I mean, I keep talking about these month after month to share with you just to give you an idea of where we're at, but a 63% reduction in inventory is certainly pretty big. 250 of the homes that we have on the market, or 66%, this is what I started to talk about, standard sellers. 66% of you guys out there in the marketplace with your home for sale are people in equity positions or standard sales, which is very encouraging news. That category was pretty low, only a few months back. 94 of the homes that we have, or 25%, being short sale. Just to give you more example of this reduction that I was talking about, our short sale inventory represented about 46 to 47% of our active inventory not many months ago, now down to 25%. That is frankly just not a lot of short sale on the market. 31 of the homes, or 8%, being bank-owned properties. Not long ago, we had almost 20% foreclosure on the market. Now, the lowest we've seen in months, in a whole year. 8% of the homes on the market being bank-owned. Now, it makes sense with what I said in my last video blog with banks going through litigation and robo-signing and all of this other stuff. They have not pursued the foreclosure action. Does that mean there are not homeowners in distress? That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is there are homeowners in distress, people sitting out there in a short sale that are not putting their homes on the market because the bank hasn't been too aggressive in pursuing with them, working with them, offering loan modifications, all sorts of things that are happening in this real estate market. If you're one of those people in distress or you need any advice on short sale, of course, feel free to get in touch with us and we will be able to help you with that. Now, I did something different this month. I wanted to kind of break out the numbers, kind of give you some just a little more perspective into what is happening because me and my team here, we're working with a lot of buyers and a lot of sellers, but when I give you these market statistics, we never reflect what is the price ranges these things are in. So from 0 to 200,000 represents about 11% of our total inventory. Now that's, first-time buyers, and certainly the investors have been jumping all over condominiums and things like this that are in that $200,000 price range. It is tough to find a single-family home here in Santa Clarita in that price range. Now between 200 and 400, 30% of our inventory. Now this is what I still consider the bulk of what we deal with every day, and that's why it's the highest percentage in this category. 30% of the homes are up to 400,000, and these are our first-time buyers. You guys are cheating. You first-time buyers out there are having the luxury, based on historic low interest rates, great pricing, to sort of bypass the first condo that you're supposed to have that you would otherwise normally leverage later, trade up, and buy a move-up home. You guys are being able to slide right into some gorgeous single-family homes, and there's great opportunities out there up to 400,000. Between 400,000 and 600,000 now, the numbers change. We go to 27%. Great opportunity for those of you looking for a more executive or upscale home. And 800 up to 800,000, only representing 12% of the market, between 600,000 and 800,000. So that category is pretty low. And then if you go 800 to beyond $1 million to infinity, we've got 20% of our active inventory there. Obviously, financing is a little harder to obtain on those jumbo-type loans, and that's going to limit that market. But most of the information I want to share with you guys is overall positive. I think you should have hope. If you're looking for a great opportunity, there is those opportunities out there for you. We can help you identify them. If you're a seller, certainly with the stabilizing that we're seeing right now, is it a false bottom? Maybe. Don't really know yet, but certainly right now, all we can do is respond with what the market is doing now, and things are a lot more firm. So don't forget to get in touch with us. If you have any questions, you can find it right up here on the screen. ChooseBrian.com. Feel free to get in touch with me. 661-373-9714. Me and my team are here to serve all of your real estate needs. We're a full service operation, and we would love to hear from you guys soon. So with all that said, remember, the opportunities are everywhere if you just know where to look, and now more than ever, these days, the right agent and the right team matters. Be well, everyone. We'll talk to you soon.